And at bat, it's the big O, baby. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And what we came to talk about here in today's video is no other than DXYZ. Major catalyst coming over the weekend, ladies and gentlemen. Stick around, we're going to talk about it. This is the type of catalyst that can and will set this thing off for a bull run here next week. So you may find this very interesting if you're a current shareholder. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out QUBT. If you did catch yesterday's video, as I let everyone know, be looking for this thing to actually cross those $6 levels, which we did reach and breach here today, and I have set yet another price target. So with that being said, stick around, we're going to talk about it. But before we do so, don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help the channel grow. So if you do want to support the channel in any shape, fashion, or form, just leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. I do comment back to at least 90% of the comments in the comment section below, ladies and gentlemen, so don't be comment shy. Now, first stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is QUBT. As you all know, this thing has been performing pretty darn well. We first alerted this thing over in our Discord right around $3 and some change, and since then, ladies and gentlemen, this stock has performed over 100% in gain. In fact, we alerted this thing around $3.19. And with that being said, you too can get my alerts in real time. All you have to do is just join the Discord. The link is in the description below. But if we take a brief look and check out this 15-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen, here on the Bollinger Band, we do see a nice gap between that upper and mid with a great trajectory to the upside far as our upper and mid go, which is also a great sign here for a swing trade opportunity for Monday. But if we do take a brief look and just check out these last 2 days of trading with the stacked short positions, we may see a short cover wave take place in QUBT here on Monday's trading. But before I give you that price target update, ladies and gentlemen, I do want to show you really quickly about what's going on with DXYZ. And if you're currently holding DXYZ, can you please comment in the comment section below, currently holding? If we can get 20 of those comments, ladies and gentlemen, I will update DXYZ for the remainder of next week, Monday through Friday. But again, DXYZ, if we do take a brief look and check out our day chart, as you guys can see here, we have broken out that tight consolidation phase here these last 2 days of trading, not including today. But the major catalyst here for DXYZ, ladies and gentlemen, and that is tomorrow's launch for SpaceX. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, it does take place here just 1 day, 6 hours and 35 minutes, which is November 23rd, at 9:26 p.m. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, be looking out for basically we got 2 launches here this weekend. And if those launches are successful here, I do feel as though that we're going to see at least another 20% jump here in DXYZ early off in next week's trading, ultimately pitting fuel to the fire for us to continue to see this swing cycle take place. Today's volume coming in so far at 3.45 million, coming off of yesterday's shy 2.32 million. So today's increase in volume is basically speculation for this weekend's launch. Also, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, just to let you guys know, SpaceX tends to launch rockets more than Jim himself, aka the Rocket Man. So I do feel as though that DXYZ is set up perfectly to see a lot of volatile swings to the upside due to the many rocket launches that SpaceX undergoes. And not only that, we do have a lot more launches here heading into December 4th. We got at least 6 more launches, ladies and gentlemen, for SpaceX before December 1st. And for those that don't know, DXYZ is a great opportunity to get yourself exposed to SpaceX early off before it actually hits the public market. DXYZ do have a nice stake in SpaceX, ladies and gentlemen. So if you do want to invest in SpaceX early, DXYZ is a great alternative to do so. But back to our QUBT. I'm going to come back to DXYZ so I can give you guys my price prediction on this as well. But again, ladies and gentlemen, QUBT is solely moving off of a great swing cycle due to short cover waves that is taking place. And with today's volume coming in at that 94 million, it's more than likely, ladies and gentlemen, that we're going to see another aggressive short selling day, especially with today's high coming in at that $6.40. Now, if we do see that adequate buying pressure here in today's aftermarket and or Monday's pre-market, then that short cover wave is very likely to happen. We do see a mixed signal here on the extra large and large scale, slightly pointing to net inflow enfavorment. Be looking for QUBT to cross those $6.60 levels early off in Monday's trading, if not into days aftermarket trading, off of the likelihood of a short cover wave. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, DXYZ. And if you made it this far in the video, ladies and gentlemen, can you please comment in the comment section below, made it this far? I just want to see how many people actually do sit through the entire video. But as far as DXYZ goes, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that this thing is headed towards a $70 price target. Yes, I said it, a $70 price target, which we should receive here before mid-December, and that is being quite modest. I do feel as though that we're going to see a lot of Tesla investors become interested in DXYZ. I know a lot of retail investors aren't aware of DXYZ just yet, but once a lot of people become aware of the fact that this is a great opportunity to invest in SpaceX ahead of the bunch, I do feel as though that we're going to see a huge change in volume here in the month of December early off. As you guys can see here, 2.32 million in total trading volume here yesterday. The day before that, 3.45 million. At its peak, 20 million. So that speaks for itself right there. Not a lot of people are aware just yet, but that is soon to happen. So with that being said, it is currently in a early seat opportunity. So with that being said, may the gains be with you.
Click the video that you see on the screen to be notified when Monday's live stream starts.